Welcome to Mini Miracles, Flags and Facts. In this video, we'll see the next three flags of Asia, that is Indonesia, Iran, Iraq. So first Indonesia, the flag is in red and white color. So the white denotes human spirit and red is a human blood. This is the belief of the people of that country. So actually how you should remember is in. See the word, the letters in. So how you should remember is inside our body is the spirit surrounded by blood. Okay, like that you can remember, because flag of Poland is just the reverse color of this, white and red. So just to remember that, so that we don't confuse with these two flags, we are just remembering this. Okay, so in means human spirit, and surrounded that is the human blood. Okay, so the national animal is Komodo dragon. So Komodo dragon is the largest lizard, and the national bird is Javan hawk eagle. So the Javan hawk eagle, see, it is also called as Garuda. So in Hinduism, Garudan or this Javan hawk eagle is considered to be the vehicle of Lord Krishna or Perumal. Okay, so that is why they treat this bird very sacred and also have it as their national bird. So the next is Iran. So Iran, as you can see in the center, actually these are four crescents. Okay, two crescents this side and two that side, and center is the sword, and also a letter is written, okay, on top and bottom of this symbol. So that is takbir. Okay, so in Arabic, so it is takbir. Takbir means God is great. So Iran. So how you have to remember is the same, the takbir is written 11 times here, top 11 times and bottom 11 times. So you have to just remember the same word is running. Okay, so Iran, ran. So Iran, actually we pronounce it as, but you just remember that the same word is running. Okay, so Iran. And sorry, the capital of Indonesia I forgot to tell you, so that is Jakarta. So how you should remember is, usually earthquakes occur often in this country, so the people are very aware, and they take lot of precautionary steps. So in Tamil, to be aware is Jakarta. Okay, so Jakarta, that is the capital. And then for Iran, the capital is Tehran. Okay, so that is also Ran, rhyming word. Okay, Iran, Tehran. So that is the capital of Iran, and the national animal is Asiatic lion. Okay, so how should you remember is, so Iran, when seeing the lion, you are just running. Okay, so that is the national animal, and the national bird is common nightingale. So when the lion is chasing you, you are running, and this bird is showing you the path to save yourself. So common nightingale, this bird is singing and flying above you, like that you can remember. Okay, so Asiatic lion and common nightingale. And the next flag is Iraq. So Iraq is, so this is the black days, white for peace and red for bravery, and center it is also written takbir. Okay, one time. Green, so that is the Muslim color. So green, takbir. Takbir is God is great, or there is only one God. Okay, that is the Muslim God. Their belief is that. Okay, so Iraq. So how you should remember is, Iraq means irrit. So black is irrit. So that is the black days. Okay, so they remember the black days. So that is Iraq, and the capital is Baghdad. Okay, so the national animal is marker goat. So how you should remember is Baghdad, actually the spelling is Baghdad. So that we are actually pronouncing as Baghdad. So you have to remember, like in a bag, daddy is taking a bag and going out to buy dinner, because the currency is dinar. Okay, So dinner, so what he is going to buy for dinner is a goat. Okay, so that is marker goat. And then actually the language is Arabic and Kurdish. So like curd dish he is going to buy, like that the sequence will come like that. And then the national bird is chukar partridge. So he is buying goat, okay, and then chukka. So that is chukar partridge, like that you can remember for Iraq. Okay, so that's all for the flag details. Now we'll see some activity to revise these flags. Okay, so write the missing facts. So write the missing facts. See, I've just drawn a picture of a caterpillar and just written all the details. Okay, so some details are missing, that you have to make your kid tell, or just you can make them write with a pencil. Okay, so this is Indonesia. So Indonesia, Jakarta. So the next one is a currency, rupiah. Then language Indonesian, Komodo dragon. So what is next? So that is German hockey eagle, and the sports is badminton. Okay. So the next is Iraq. So the capital. So you have to write Iraq because Iraq is missing here. So on the face you write Iraq. So Baghdad, dinar, Arabic and Kurdish. And what is next? That national animal will come. So Asiatic, marker goat, and then chukar partridge, and sports is football. Okay. So the last one is Iran. So Tehran, Riyal, and the currency is language is Persian. Animal is lion, Asiatic lion, common nightingale. So and what is missing? Freestyle wrestling. Okay. So all these missing facts, you can make them fill up. Then the last one, actually the book is over, so I have just shrink my activity. So this is the last one, that is picture hints. So this is, what is this? Someone is getting inside. So in, so door, but the latter part is crossed, so that is the only the half the word we are going to take. So in do nesi. So for loving, we tell in Tamil nesi. So nesi okay. So Indonesia. Okay, Indonesia. Okay, so that is the flag of Indonesia. So you can keep the flag like this. Okay. So next is what is this? Rock. So Iraq. Okay, so you can keep the flag as Iraq. Okay. So the last one is Iran. So someone is running. So Iran. Okay. So keep the flag here, Iran. So this is the picture hint. Since my scrapbook pages was over, I just didn't do any writing activity, but I have prepared this dice. Okay. So this is my kids did an origami box, so dice. So just I stuck the flag stickers here. So like this you can also do it, and then when you roll it, see what flag they are getting it. So this is the flag of Iran. So you can ask the flag name, its capital, and all its other details to make them revise the flag. So like that you can make them roll again. So once again it is Bhutan. So like that you can make them play and learn this. Okay, so that's all for this, all the three flags. So actually I have converted this scrapbook into a printable format activity book. Okay, so with some other additional activities also. Okay, so if you need this book, you can just mention it, you can message me, and I will arrange to deliver it to you. Okay, so if you like this video, please subscribe, share, and please click the notification, because every week I'll just upload these flag facts to cover all the flags of Asia. So only if you click the notification, you will be able to watch it continuously. Okay, thank you.